case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A legal drama unfolded in 1988 when the United States District Court for the District of Maryland presided over an intriguing case, United States v. Darwin Construction Company. The crux of the dispute involved a critical quandary. When a company disobeys a court order, can the judicial system impose a daily financial penalty to compel obedience? And can these penalties be mitigated based on the company's adherence or attempts at adherence to the court order, albeit late? At the core of this conflict was Darwin Construction Company, which found themselves in the defendant's chair and in hot water for ignoring an IRS summons, an order mandating the delivery of financial records for inspection. The court's response was firm, imposing a daily civil contempt fine of $5,000 on Darwin for their stark non-compliance, piling up to a whopping $30,000 for a mere 6 days of defiance. Darwin argued for leniency, maintaining that they had made substantial efforts to comply and that their actions were led by a sense of good faith. However, the court swept aside these pleas, finding Darwin's preparations inadequate and their actions far removed from the necessary steps required to comply effectively with the order. Adding teeth to this judicial decision, the court deemed a $5,000 per day fine appropriate, given Darwin's previous hesitance to obey, the corporate nature of the company, and potential threat to justice if such obstinacy were left unchecked. Proclaiming that the fines were designed to coerce rather than punish those in contempt, the court clarified that substantial compliance and good faith could be considered, but had limitations as leniency factors. The court drove home the stark message that the cost of non-compliance couldn't be softened by good faith or quasi-perfect document productions, establishing that such penalties were discretionary and not subject to subsequent adjustment. This historic case underscored the high cost of defiance and framed non-compliance as a risk that corporations like Darwin Construction Company would be unwise to take lightly.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.